The health risk due to drug residue in foods we consume every day cannot be overstated. Various institutions have in the past raised concern of the carefree nature of food vendors in the country who have been selling vegetables and animal products that have drug residue on them, either knowingly or unknowingly. Many Kenyans have been opting for unprocessed food straight from the farms in a view of maintaining healthy living. However, as it turns out, this food is not entirely healthy. The Kenya Veterinary Association says there have been increasing cases of high levels of drug residue, especially in foods originating from animals like meat and milk, which is a serious health concern that needs to be addressed by all stakeholders. Kenya Veterinary Association Chairman Kahariri Samuel notes that antimicrobial residues in foods originate at farm level as farmers access veterinary drugs at ease and opt to treat their own animals, failing to adhere to withdrawal period guidelines after any form of drug administration. He says, and I quote, "Antimicrobial agents in food of animal origin are undesirable because they cause hypersensitive drug resistance, thus raising the cost of human treatment and specific tissue damage in humans, which eventually leads to human deaths." End of quote. But that is not the only threat Kenyans have to face daily. According to KVA, there are major concerns that some antimicrobial agents like hydrogen peroxide are being added to milk by unscrupulous traders to extend the shelf life of the commodity, posing a serious health risk, especially in the urban areas where the sale of the raw milk has significantly increased. KVA is in this regard urging the government to address this challenge by investing in employment of sufficient numbers of veterinary doctors and veterinary paraprofessionals in the various counties. He notes, and I quote, "The national government must also move fast to implement the Veterinary Medicines Directorate regulations, which will streamline the importation, distribution, and use of the veterinary drugs in the country." The Kenya Veterinary Association says it will be working closely with the Kenya Veterinary Board and other agencies to ensure that all unlicensed imposters conning farmers by treating animals or handling veterinary drugs are dealt with in accordance with the law.